All right, so welcome to the assignment for Friday. We are doing circles and composite figures unit, and we're still on our circle section. Okay, this time we're going to be looking at these really small word problems. They're not huge. And I have some questions here to guide you through to be able to answer the question. So for instance, if the circumference of a circle is 15.7 centimeters, what is the radius of the circle? So the first thing you need to answer is, what is the question asking you to find? It's asking me to find the radius. So you're going to type that in that box right there. So what is the formula for finding a radius? Well, it gives us a circumference. I'm going to go down here. I put the formulas down here so you could see them and not have to try and remember them. I have circumference equals, again, go up in here to do pi, to insert, special characters. Go over here, type in pi, click on the pi symbol, click out. There it is right there. It is 2 pi r. The reason I don't use this radius one, even though that's what I'm trying to find, it gives me a circumference. There is no circumference or c in this radius formula. So I have to go to the circumference formula where they have a radius. I'm going to substitute the values that I know. I know circumference is 15.7 equals, I know that's 2 times pi is 3.14. If you haven't memorized that yet, you need to memorize that. And then r. R is what I don't know. I'm going to bold that and actually make it red so you understand what it is I am trying to find in this. I'm not trying to find the c because I have that. That's my circumference. I'm trying to find r. So at this point, I'm going to solve for my variable. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to combine like terms. I'm going to combine my 2 times 3.14. So I'm going to rewrite this. 15.7 equals 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. Whoops, 8. And then it's multiplied by r. I can just stick the r next to it because that way we can see that it's being multiplied. So now what I need to do is, this is a one-step equation. You guys did all of this in 6th grade. You did this last unit. Again, you asked me when are we going to apply this ever in our lives? Well, you're applying it right now. Isn't that great? See, math at work here for you in your life. So what we need to do here is we need to divide because the 6.28 is multiplying the r. We saw that right here. And so now we need to divide 6.28 on both sides. And to do that, I am going to go ahead and get out my calculator. And I'm going to do 15.7 divided by 6.28. That equals 2.5. So right here, I'm going to type r equals, what did I say it was? 2.5. 2.5, remember it has to be a lowercase r. So I'm going to type my answer down here below because that's what this is asking me to do, 6.5. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to label it centimeters because I have a label up here. It's a word problem. Or actually, you know what I need to do? I need to actually type a sentence because that's what I told you guys to do. The radius of the circle is, this is what we're going to do, 2.5 centimeters long. All right, so what we have is we have where it says, what is the question asking you to find? I put that in. What is the formula? I added that. Substitute the values you know. I did that here. Solve for the variable. We showed our work. And then type your answer in the box below. Your answer needs to be in the form of a sentence. The radius of the circle is 2.5 centimeters long. This is what your slide needs to look like before you move on to the next slide or before you submit. I will not give you full credit if it does not look like this. If you have any questions, let me know.